He's just too adorable. I had to get more. I love it when the wave comes. Kind of makes him back up and go. You're so precious, baby. Want to get more rocks? Get more? See, then he has a choice. You can walk in there. It's okay. You can walk out there. It's not going to hurt you. Honey, your baths are deeper than that. Ew, get away from that. That's nasty crab. No. That's icky. That's a dead crab. Come on. Over here. Sorry. Okay. How about... Where are you? Let's get over here to some cleaner water where it's not so green and icky. Come on. Over here. No. Over here. Over here. Over here. There you go. See, you can walk in there. Yeah. Mommy's got shoes on. Here, let me take off my shoes. And I'll walk in with you. How's that? Well, I'm trying to take off my shoes, little guy. Oh, it's not going to be pleasant to walk back up there, but okay. Will you? I'll do almost anything, Zorro. It's not going to be good for my freaking little hippies, but... Ow! Oh my gosh. Okay, forgot. Can't stand on one foot. Okay, let's try together, okay? Come on, Zorro. On this side. Okay, ready? Come on. Step. Come on. With Mama. Come on. Come on. Ooh, my foot's sinking. Come on. Come on. Okay. Woo, cold. Come on. Come on. It's okay. You can walk. See, Mommy's out here. Oh, come on. He said, I'm not as stupid as you, woman. That water is cold. Actually, after you're in it for a second, it's not that bad. It's kind of hot outside today. Feels kind of good. Humid, I should say. All right, little man. We gotta get to the doctor pretty soon. You got a big smile I see on you. I love it when you smile. We'll have to go take you to Whidbey Island, Deception Pass maybe next weekend. Oh no, not next weekend. The next weekend. Next weekend's Labor Day, or Memorial Day, or whatever. It's gonna be packed. Yeah, we'll go to the other one, Deception Pass Beach. And we'll park right where I know, where we don't have to walk hardly at all, and there's almost no people. Maybe I'll take all three of you, get Melody to come. That'll be fun. Okay. I'm going to turn off the camera.